If the thought of moving your body fills you with dread, you're not alone. Burnout, chronic pain, trauma, or injury can quietly erode the trust we once had in our bodies. So if you've been avoiding exercise, not out of laziness but out of fear or fatigue, let me assure you, you're not broken. Your body just needs to feel safe again. Today, we're going to talk about how to rebuild that trust and create a relationship with exercise that feels healing, not punishing. This isn't about pushing harder. It's about listening deeper. Step 1. Start with safety, not sweat. Before we ask the body to perform, we need to tell the nervous system you're safe. That could mean laying down with your hand over your heart, using a warm compress, doing 2 minutes of gentle humming or rocking. These micro practices signal your vagus nerve, the command center for your nervous system, that it's okay to come out of defense mode. Dr. Stephen Porges' polyvagal theory explains how safety must come before action. Because when your body feels threatened, movement feels unsafe. We're not lazy, we're protecting ourselves. Step 2. Redefine what counts as movement. Movement doesn't have to mean a gym, or sweat, or soreness. Try this instead. Gentle mobility while lying down, walking barefoot in grass, stretching to your favorite song, practicing 5 squats with no weights, just breath. Tiny movements build trust, and trust is what creates lasting motivation, not willpower. Step 3. Replace criticism with curiosity. Your body isn't resisting to annoy you, it's communicating. What if your fatigue is feedback, not failure? What if pain is your body saying, I'm not ready for that yet, but I still want to heal? So instead of, why can't I do more? Try, what does my body need from me today? Curiosity activates presence, and presence is where healing begins. Step 4. Celebrate the invisible wins. You wanted to move even though you didn't. That's progress. You stretched for 3 minutes and felt warmth. That's connection. You paused to breathe before you bailed. That's awareness. These are not small things. These are the signs you're healing. Because building a safe relationship with exercise isn't about returning to your old pace. It's about meeting your body where it is now. Let this be the day you stop punishing your body and start partnering with it. Your body has carried you through so much. It deserves care, not criticism. And every step you take, no matter how small, is a step toward trust. You're not broken, you're rebuilding, and you're doing beautifully.